All right, today on today's project, we are going to be taking this cargo trailer and converting it into a camper. It is a 2020 Legend series. It is completely aluminum. It is a 16-foot long by 7-foot wide trailer. We have the standard RV door on it. 7-foot interior height. This side we're gonna do a window right here. We got the barn style back doors for it. Inside, the trailer seems to be made pretty well. It has very nice welded structures. It is a V-nose. Alright. Just look on the outside. You got the aluminum wheels for it. And they call it a Thunder, all aluminum. So, general idea is going to be the front of the trailer is going to have a counter and sink right here, and then upper cabinets with a mini split AC unit on the top, and then possibly a cabinet right here by the door. And then this way we're gonna have an L-shaped counter that comes this way, and then a closet that sits up right here, and then in the back here to be a queen size bed. And then there'll be a wall before the door so we can hang stuff on the back side of that wall. Also probably do like a tankless hot water heater back there. And then we can do like showers. So I think in this video we are going to work on getting all the walls down. We're gonna number them all first so we have a little easier time putting them back up. And then after that, we're gonna do insulation. I got 1-inch foam board insulation that we're gonna put in and then tape all the seams off. And then we also are gonna cut in the window, but that probably will be in the next video. We'll see how long this one gets. So, all right, I'm gonna put you back down and we're gonna get started on that. So just wanted to bring you guys back here real quick on the quality of this trailer. My gimbaling skills are not the best yet, but you can see on the vent, they actually added a piece of wood here for the outside vent to screw into and to make up the thickness. A lot of these trailers I've seen that they're not even aligned sometimes, and they're screwed in wrong, and there's nothing there. It's just falling into the wall. So that's pretty nice.
They also have braces right here.
Yep, and they also have braces right here around where the wheel well screws in. Nice piece of, like, I don't know, probably 1/8 inch aluminum that holds that all in there. So far the quality of the trailer is better than most I've seen. It's looking good. We're gonna keep tearing into this, and if I find anything else interesting, I'll let you guys know. You good, man? Act natural. I don't know how to act now. The camera's on me. Alright guys, so we got the inside all stripped out. Like I said, I really enjoyed the quality of this trailer. And see, everything is nicely welded. Nice wire fittings, except for the Scotch locks. I might replace those eventually. A lot of problems I've seen in these trailers when I've been looking at these conversions is the floor down here. People will have like huge gaps. So this one did not have any of that, thankfully. Also, all the panels, they have glued, or like, it's more like a double-sided tape, but every single stud is done. Also, every single stud is, you know, measured correctly. It's not like weirdly spaced. They did have nice support, big thick pieces of plywood right here for the vents, which are gonna get plugged up, so it ain't gonna matter anyway. They had the wheel bars down there, which I think I did mention earlier, but that's nice. So as far as the quality of trailer, it seems to be really good with the walls down. And then next video here, we are going to start doing the insulation. And then after that, we'll see how long that takes. And then we're gonna do the window here. So I'm gonna have to cut out this brace. And then I'm gonna weld in a new bar, take it in there. So it'll be all structured back in. So until next time, thanks for watching, guys.